In this section, we're going to talk about wardrobe editing. That is, taking everything that we've learned so far and applying it to our current wardrobe or things that we already have in our closet, and removing anything that doesn't suit our body shape, our personality style, and our new color palette. Okay, so here's my suggestion on what to do with your current wardrobe. Before you go to buy any new clothes, you should go through your closet and try on every single piece of clothing that you have. Every shirt, every dress, every skirt, every pair of pants, every short, everything. And as you try them on, one by one, look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself this. Have you worn it in the past 6 months? Does it fit you properly? And be honest about that. Can it be altered to fit you properly if it doesn't already fit you? Does it have any defects such as a rip or a missing button? Is it current and not out of date? And does it express your personality? Does it feel like you? So if you haven't worn it in the past 6 months, chances are you're probably not going to wear it in the next 6 months. If it doesn't fit you properly, ask yourself, can it be altered to fit properly, in which case, write down what it is about it that needs to be fixed, take it to a tailor and get a quote. If it has any defects such as a rip, you've got to get rid of it. If it's just a missing button, again, a tailor can fix that for you. If it's not current and it's out of date, definitely get rid of it. And if it doesn't express your personality, it's probably not worth keeping. Another thing to mention is there's no point in having a wardrobe full of clothes that only work in one outfit combinations. What you really want are clothes that can be easily mixed and matched so that you can create many outfits. 80% of your wardrobe should be clothes that you wear 5 to 6 days a week, and only 20% of it can be for special occasions and clothes that you'd only wear 1 day a week or less.